could all start with one large round of applause. So to begin, we're going to have one of our favorite faculty members give some words to start us off. So if we could all welcome Principal Brown.
Thank you, Cindy. In the program that has me after or before you, following Cindy, I've seen her speak.
Please welcome him and his nominator, Mr. Smith.
As teachers, we take kids very personally. They all become ours.
Going on, and from the outside you wouldn't be able to necessarily tell. She's kept her chin up through a bunch of stuff.
If you need any help taking group shot, anyone in this movement, we'd be happy to help. But with that, I'd just like to say congratulations once again. Have a great rest of the